大家好，我是魏。
안녕하세요, 혁입니다.
さあ今日はこの4人でお届けしますが、今日はプール開きにやってきました。
We came here for the pool opening ceremony.
今天游泳池开始对外开放了。
드디어 수영장을 이용할 수 있다니 너무 기뻐요.
楽しみですね。じゃあプール開きに参加しちゃおう。あ、なんか出てきた。ルックルック。なんだね。
What's gonna happen from now on? Who knows?
早く泳ぎたいね。
好想快点去游泳哦。
오늘부터 수영 연습하려고 했는데
I'm so ready to swim.
Yes。ラジオ体操だ。
Roger, Tyson exercise.
よく。
初めてです。
First time で。This is the first time for him. プールに入る前は運動しないといけませんからね。
对，要做一下暖身的运动。
운동 안 하면 다칠 수도 있어요.
It's good to stretch before entering the pool.
塩パイン。聞いた？今日は風が強くて、なんと船側からプールが開けないという連絡が入ったそうです。
Oh no! The wind is too strong. We cannot open the pool today.
啊，今天还不能够游泳啊。
아, 오늘부터 수영 연습하려고 했는데 왜 오늘 안 열지?
なのでプールに入るのは明日以降になって、今日はプールに入れません。
Today the pool is closed, so we will probably be able to enter the pool from tomorrow.
没关系，明天泳池开放的话，我们就可以游泳了。
내일부터 연다니까. 내일부터 연습해야겠다.
泳ぎたかったけど仕方ないよね。まあ。やる気満々。
I was so ready. I was so ready today.
じゃあ残念だけど今日はプールサイドにあるリビエラバーでスペシャルカクテルを私がご馳走しましょう。
You cannot swim and drink, but if you don't swim, you might as well drink.
耶，谢谢。今天我们可以在酒吧喝鸡尾酒。
난 술을 안 먹지만 오늘은 진짜 한 잔 마셔야겠다.
Let's go! じゃん、ピナコラーダ。どうぞ。
Thank you.
これは
It's very tropical.
このリビエラバーの特製カクテルです。このバーだけで飲めます。
We can only have this drink here by the pool side.
这个凤梨鸡尾酒是在泳池的酒吧才喝得到哦。
리비에라 바에서만 파는 거니까 진짜 꼭 맛있겠지?
자, 사루!
사루!
짠!
짠!
Oh, it's a paper spoon too. That's great.
노효크.
Oh wow.
술 못 먹는데도 이건 진짜 너무 맛있다.
맛있어요?
너무 맛있어요.
美味しい。あんまりお酒飲まないけどね。どう？
I love it. It's really perfect. It's like, it's sweet
甘いよ
and
ね。
like really, yeah, it's just perfect for today.
おー、泳げなかったけど飲めてよかった。
Yes. This is a perfect replacement for swimming.
泳げたら飲めないからね。
Yes.
ウィは？
超级好喝的，推荐一定要来喝。没有什么酒味，很好喝，很好喝。
変好、美味しい。ということで今日はクルナビはプール開きに来たんですけども開けませんでした。
So today for the onboard TV program, we came to see the opening ceremony, but unfortunately the pool did not open today.
残念。
今天虽然是游泳池对外开放的日子，可是还没有开放，没关系，我们就等明天再来吧。
오늘 수영장 개장식에 왔는데 오늘 안 열어서 정말 아쉽지만 다음에 또 기회가 있을 거니까.
まあだけどもプールも開く時もあれば開かない時もありますから、皆さんこれからどんどん暖かくなっていきますので、プール安全第一で楽しんでください。
Safety first. It will open on some day and remains closed on others. But it's getting hotter and hotter every day, so I'm sure we'll have many opportunities to enjoy the pool.
对。
马西德游泳池开放的时候呢，我们就可以来游泳。那不过还是安全第一。那我们之后天气会越来越温暖，所以大家可以好好享受游泳的时光。
수영도 좋지만 안전이 우선이니까 다음에 열리면 그때 연습하러 오게요.
では本日のクルナビはここまでにしときますか。OK, finish クルナビご覧いただきありがとうございました。Thank you for watching。では最後明日マニャーナで締めてる。
はい。
明日マニャーナ。
明日マニャーナ。たかち、イーチ、トゥギャザー一緒にせーの。
明日マニャーナ。
Please enjoy the show.
スタッフ一同皆様乾杯の挨拶です。
Please let me introduce the senior officers. We'll keep on, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take it. We will let it. This is where the adventure begins. Every step, writing stories that seem to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take it. We will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. And now, on our own with a hope in the clouds, we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take it. We will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
こんにちは、日の出日の入りキャスターの太鼓です。明日の日の出日の入りの情報をお届けします。明日の日の出は6時18分、明日の日の入りは16時43分です。それでは明日もいい天気になりますように。